Hi there, my name is Daniel. I'm the CEO and founder of Iris, and in this video, I want to show you how you can design with Accurate Course and how to use Iris when you're working with Course. So now you see that my screen is really orange and the cores are nowhere near calibrated. So the easiest thing you can do is to just switch Iris to pause mode. When you switch Iris to pause mode, it will basically restore the calibrated course. But you see the glowing on my face and the screen emits too much blue. What happens if I click this to automatic and it's night? The screen is with really messed up course. So what we can do to actually protect our eyes, sleep better, and at the same time to have accurate course. Iris has a couple of things for this. The first thing is that when Iris is paused, your screen cores are calibrated. And you can use some shortcuts to, let me see where the shortcuts. There are some shortcuts like pause resume iris. This is the shortcut, and if I click Control plus Alt plus P, I can basically pause and resume iris via an easy and fast way. But the problem with this is that the whole screen emits uh, emits blue light, and we have a solution for this actually. Let me see if when Iris is paused I can demonstrate you this. So we have something called screen overlay, but it doesn't work when Iris is paused. So we have something called screen overlay, which looks like this, but I'm going to put the colors to the normal values. Basically, if I put blue light and brightness to 100%, if I stop the screen overlay, you see that the colors are perfectly calibrated. And if I enable this screen overlay, and I can select a screen area which can be without blue light reduction, which is really cool. So let me try this. To select my face, but basically from to select my face, and if I select more of the screen, you see the glowing on my face. This is actually the blue light reduction. Do you see this? Now it's almost the entire screen emits blue light, and I can make only a part of the screen to not emit blue light. And for example, if I'm working with Paint and Photoshop, I can make only the center of the screen to have not calibrated colors. And basically, when I want to, let me try to get some blue. Okay, I can draw something here, and you see how the color changes a little bit. So when I want a perfect colors, I can just move the area which I'm drawing here and basically protect my eyes and still have perfect colors on part of the screen. We use overlay for this, and this is not as effective as to change the native display settings, but it's useful. It's useful for designers, and it's probably one of the only solutions that you may find for this problem. What we have else aside from the screen overlay is, let me just reset the settings. Aside from the screen overlay, we have something called core pausers, which is here. And if I enable them and add paint, every time I start paint or paint is on focus, basically my screen will become with calibrated course. And if I minimize this and switch to another window, my screen will become with blue light reduction again. So I'm working with course now. I'm drawing something, blah blah blah. Then I want to watch Facebook, for example. I switch to Chrome, and when I switch to Chrome, I minimize this. Uh, my screen changes. So I'm working with course, and this goes out of the screen, and the cores are resumed. We call this core pausers. You can add full screen apps from here, all full screen apps, or you can add individual programs. Iris remembers the last program. For example, now I can remove Paint from the button here, and yes, it's useful. You can add the last program here. You see, add Chrome, and if I add this, if Chrome is on focus, Iris will be paused. Another useful thing again for designers, and let me just see something. Basically, yes, I want to also show you the lightness screen. Imagine that I click this thing here, blue light to the maximum, brightness to the maximum, and I can lower the lightness of the screen and leave only the center to be with normal colors again. This is useful again to lower the light from the screen, and it's a little bit more beautiful than the screen overlay, and you can combine these things basically. A lot of people use these things, and we'll make them even more better in the future, but right now they work, they're useful, and these are the 3 tips which you can use to design with accurate cores. And we also have a magic button which can enable the core pausers. Thank you very much.